Hello friends, welcome once again to my channel. This is Mr. Civil. On previous tutorial, I taught you on how to get started with the Civil 3D. In today's video, I'll show you on how to import points either from Excel or you can use text wherever you have your points. So let's get started. First of all, you will have to click on insert. Then when you have clicked on insert, you click on import under the import ribbon over here. So when you click that, so my points were on the desktop, Civil 3D, and then these were my points. So I have points 1 and points 2. So these points are normally, so let me first of all select points 1 and then open. So these points are normally given by your surveyor, or you can go and collect the points from the field, and then you come and type and insert in your Civil 3D. So this one is usually done by using a total station. So me, I already have my points and then I have imported. When you have already imported, you go points from file and then you left click, and then here the file will show you the file name and the status. So you click on add and then you'll see the points. So I'll use point 1 and then open. So you can see I have my points here, but the specific the file format, it's not the same as mine. So you can have a look at this. So this one are my points. So the first one is the point. It can be either A, B, C, D or D. We have used 1, 2, and then this one from here to here, this is our nothing. From here to here, it's our eastings. From here to here, these are elevations, and then the last one, this one is the description. So the file format, you can select your own, and you must ensure that it corresponds with the one you have typed. So for mine, I'll use point, nothing, easting, elevation, and then the description. For mine is this one, the last one, point, nothing, easting, then elevation and description. So when I click on that, you can see that it has changed. I have the point number, the nothings, eastings, point elevation, and the row description. Then I'll click on OK. After I have done that, I'll click on this plus in point groups to expand. Then I'll get all points, this one. So I'll right click and then you say zoom to. So when you zoom, you can see the points have appeared. So these are the points that we have imported, and this was all about it. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe, press the bell icon, and don't forget to share my videos and drop a comment in the comment box below. Thank you very much for watching this video.